These tools are powerful, but they're not magic. They won't make you rich overnight. You still need effort, consistency, and smart decisions. But with AI, the learning curve is faster and the opportunities are real. Want to start making money online but feel like you don't have the skills or budget? These 5 AI tools are all you need, and I'll show you exactly how to use them to start earning today. Welcome to Wallet Mode, the channel where we turn simple tools into real income. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 AI tools that can help you build income streams in 2025. All legal, realistic, and beginner-friendly. Let's start with ChatGPT. This AI assistant can write emails, product descriptions, blog posts, and more. But the real magic happens when you combine it with Fiverr or Upwork. How it works? Go to Fiverr. Create a gig offering blog writing, email copy, or translation. Customize the output slightly to make it sound more natural. Deliver it. Done. People are charging $30, $100 per blog post on Fiverr. Niche down. Don't just say I write blogs. Say I write SEO blogs for crypto websites or email funnels for realtors. That's how you stand out. Next is Canva's AI tools, like Magic Write and Magic Design. With these, you can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, resume templates, or even printable planners. How to make money with it? Design an ebook, Instagram template pack, or digital planner. Do them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. You can also offer design services on Fiverr or Upwork. Some sellers are making $500 a month selling printable meal planners on Etsy, made 100% on Canva. Use Magic Write to write the product descriptions or sales copy too, all inside Canva. Tool number 3 is Pictory. If you've ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel or sell short-form video content, this is your best friend. How to use it? Take a blog post, script, or idea. Baste it into Pictory. Baster to it will generate a video with voiceover, visuals, captions, and music automatically. That's a full video content agency with just 2 tools. If you've ever struggled to write Instagram captions, product descriptions, or emails, Copy AI is built for you. How to make money? Write email campaigns or website copy for clients. Kayan a micro agency offering launch content. Create ad copy for drop shippers or influencers. You could charge $100 to write a 4-part welcome email series. Copy AI helps you do that in under an hour. Last but not least, AI art tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney. These tools create stunning art, logos, and book covers, all from simple text prompts. How to monetize it? Create AI art and sell it as posters or t-shirts on Redbubble or Teespring. Offer custom avatar or logo creation on Fiverr. Sell AI-generated coloring books or clip art on Etsy. AI artists are making $200 to $1,000 per month on Etsy with digital prints alone. Add text using Canva and bundle images into digital packs or printables. If any of these ideas clicked with you, start with just one. Pick a tool, watch a tutorial, and take your first action today. Subscribe to Wallet Mode for weekly step-by-step guides and real strategies to help you grow your income.